Hi, this is Shara from MomBlogCentral.com with another WordPress tutorial. Today we're actually going to be talking about dealing with categories within your WordPress. Managing categories can be a bit of a dilemma for some bloggers because, especially mom bloggers, we tend to have a lot of categories. My number one recommendation is to keep it as simple as possible, and that means using categories and subcategories to help keep your menus clean. So what we're going to do is, of course, we're starting at the dashboard. There's two ways to access your categories page. There's a link right here in your main dashboard area. Also under posts, you can find categories. When you click on that link, you see this page here, which lists your current categories on the right-hand side, regular categories, subcategories with a dash before them. Simple to add a new category, you simply give it a name. You don't need to worry about the slug that will automatically be created unless you know what you're doing and you know exactly how you want it to look. If you want to make a subcategory, you do that here by simply clicking on the main category that you want this category to fall underneath. You can give it a description. If you do so, keep it short. Those do show up on some themes and not necessarily on others. Then make sure you click Add New Category. You can, of course, create categories from within each post as well. I'm not going to talk about that right this moment. Just wanted to show you that general idea. Now, there are simple ways to deal with each category right here. You can go into each one and give it a description. You can also delete them from right here. Unless, of course, it is your main category. When WordPress is set up, it's always set up with one category called uncategorized. To change that from being your main category, you go under Settings and Writing. Once you're in there, you'll see right here, Default Post Category, Uncategorized. You need to make sure that your default post category is already created before you come in here to change it. And then you can change it to whatever you want. Scroll down, Save Changes. Now we can go back into categories and delete the uncategorized category. I don't like having it around. It tends to make things messy. Now, within a post, you can also, like I said, add a category or assign categories, which you always want to do. If you do not assign a category, it will always be assigned to the default category that we just changed it to. And then here's your category section right here. You can add a category by clicking on this tab right here. You can even give it a parent category by selecting from the drop-down list. Once you've named your category, assigned its parent or no parent, make sure you click Add New Category. That will then automatically assign this post to that category. And then, of course, you would click Save or Publish or Update, whichever option you need to choose. That's it for today's tutorial on dealing with categories within WordPress. Be sure to check more at MomBlogCentral.com for great tutorials and tips on blogging.